In this video, I'm going to be upgrading the SSD in a Lenovo Thinkpad X260. Although this is an X260, the process is virtually identical to upgrade the drive in an X250 or an X270. If you're installing a brand new drive, before starting make sure that you created a bootable Windows 10 installation USB using the tool on Microsoft's website, so that you can reinstall Windows once you're done. Also, be sure to back up any personal files that you would like to keep. First, turn the laptop on and press the Enter key when the Lenovo logo appears to access the Startup Interrupt menu. When the menu appears, press F1 to enter the BIOS. In the BIOS, move to the Config menu, then move down to Power and press Enter. Then move down to Disable Built-in Battery and press Enter again. You'll be asked if you want to proceed. Make sure that Yes is highlighted and press Enter again. The laptop should now power off with the built-in battery disabled so that it's safe to work on. Close the lid and turn the laptop over. Remove the external battery by sliding the two clips towards the outside to release them, and then slide the battery out. Now there are 8 captive Phillips head screws to be loosened. You can use a size 0 or 00 Phillips head screwdriver. Once the screws have all been loosened, use your fingers or a plastic opening tool to disconnect the clips around the edge of the base. The bottom cover can then be removed by rotating it towards the back. The SSD or hard drive can be found in the corner to the left of the battery. It's secured in place by a single Phillips head screw. With the screw removed, lift up the drive from the side where the screw was, taking care not to lift it all the way out as the SATA cable is still connected. You can disconnect the SATA cable by pulling it straight out away from the connector on the drive. Now remove the drive from the plastic caddy by pulling the plastic prongs out of the holes on the side of the drive. You can now take your new drive and attach it to the caddy by lining up the prongs with the holes on the drive and pushing until you hear them click into place. Reattach the SATA cable to the connector on the drive and lay it back inside the case. Be sure to reroute the SATA cable back under the plastic clip on the speaker where it was before. Then replace the single Phillips head screw on the right. You can then replace the bottom cover, pushing down firmly along the edges to reattach the clips. You should hear a click as they engage with the top case. Once the clips have been reattached, you can go ahead and tighten the screws. With the screws tightened, replace the external battery by pushing it in until you hear a click from the clips on each side. Reattaching the power cable will re-enable the internal battery. You can now turn the laptop on and boot from an external USB drive to install Windows on your new SSD. That's it for this video, thanks for watching.